as a city in mourning.
In green pastures, and leads me beside.
He shall refresh my soul and guide me in the paths of righteousness.
Iba talaga yung care niya sa kids eh. Iba yung pagmamahal niya sa mga alaga niya. As you can see in this video. When her sister sent that I was nauseous talaga, parang I was feeling sick to my stomach when her sister Dory was messaging me and sending the voice messages na nasa fire siya holding the baby. But it's so like her. I nakakaiyak. It's so like her to put her life on the line for someone else. Kasi talagang very caring talaga siya.
Sa ating inorganisang Filipino Community Prayer para ipanalangin ang
Pray for all individuals and communities in Taito and beyond.
But people are really recognizing yung act of bravery niya. I think, when you're in that time din, yung desperation mo, syempre gusto mong mabuhay, you're in survival mode. Pero the fact na hindi niya binitawan yung, like, hawak niya yung bata, hindi niya naman anak yun. So, I commend her. I'm so proud of her.
I feel sad about her, but I salute her for being so good despite of this tragic incident. She did not abandon her responsibility. I hope that this will make the Hong Kong community the essence, the importance of domestic workers, that even in the tragic situation, we will not abide or we will not abandon our job.